I saw my brother go from $0 to having his first few clients. He's a full-time entrepreneur now. He quit his job after about 30 days to be an entrepreneur full-time. He just spent the last month on a cruise ship. You've heard that it's important to test your cold email subject lines to get an 80% open rate. And we've been able to achieve that pretty consistently for our clients selling into the top companies, billion-dollar brands. So how do we do that? The trick is to test a new subject line every 10 emails. The hardest part for us was coming up with these subject lines. But lucky for you, we have 50 plus subject lines in a Google Doc that you can test with your cold email campaigns. And best part, you can have that for free. To get this list of 50 plus email subject lines, go over to experiment27.com/subject. Again, that's experiment27.com/subject. Let's talk about where to earn money online without investment. Who am I? My name is Alex Berman. I've generated over $10 million in sales for our companies. Currently, I'm the CEO of The Quadrant, which includes X27, which is a marketing agency. We also run a software as a service conglomerate, multiple software as a service companies put together. We also do digital content. We have a course at Email 10K where we teach people how to start businesses and book meetings with billion-dollar brands, et cetera, you know, just like all the normal Dan Locke type of stuff, okay? You're listening to somebody who knows what he's doing. Here is where to earn money online without investment. These are all things that I've tried and made money with, and hopefully you can do the same. So let's jump into it. Number one is Fiverr. If you go back and watch my reaction to my $100 challenge, when I was first starting out in entrepreneurship, my goal was to make $100 in 7 days. And the way that I made that money, at least initially, was through Fiverr. And this was years ago. Eventually, I ended up helping people do their homework and making money and doing all that. And actually check out the $100 Make Money Week video. Pretty interesting piece of history, at least personal history for me. But it's cool to see somebody go from $0 to $100 in anything. So check that out. But what I found is a lot of people recommend Fiverr. I've seen a lot of people hiring on Fiverr. Recently, I tried to get back into Fiverr. I was helping my little brother get started in entrepreneurship. And what I found is you sign up for Fiverr and it's just a bunch of scams now. It's actually almost completely dead. So I put this number one on the list because it used to work. This is it in order by how easy they are to actually work. So Fiverr barely works. I would still, if you want to create something on Fiverr, you can have practice. And what I actually like Fiverr for is it's a good idea generator. So for instance, you go into digital marketing on Fiverr and you can see everything people are hiring for. You can see email marketing here. And check this out, you can search by best selling, which is based on actual data. And then you can see, I will write sales emails that convert. You will see what pricing, what photos, and what copy, aka what text, actually sells things. And then you can use this for your other business concepts if you were trying to clone a business. So that's why I like Fiverr still. The second place I would go if you're trying to make money online with no investment is a place that we have had success on recently. We just took a client from $0 to $10,000 a month on Upwork, which you can find by going to the Upwork job boards. So upwork.com/freelance jobs is what it is right now. We'll link down in the description to that. And you can see here all of these different jobs that people are hiring for. What I like about this and what we did to take this guy to 10K a month, all you do is identify a specific job you want to go after, optimize your profile so it talks about only that skill and your case studies within that skill, and then apply to as many of these jobs as possible with customized pitches. It's that simple. If you want more detail on that, join the Email 10K course and post in the Facebook group and I'll help you out. You've got job after job after job after job on here. I would say specialize in something. I just clicked on network administration, freelance jobs. So you would optimize your entire profile for network administration. If you have a case study in this, I would put that case study front and center on your profile, and then you apply to every single one of these with at least the first sentence of your pitch being a customized sentence. And you can actually use any of the custom first line templates that we talk about on this YouTube channel to get that done. So where to earn money online without investment? Number one was Fiverr. Number two was Upwork. But what I want to tell you now is the secret for how to earn money online with no investment and no platform. And that is cold freaking email. Cold email, picking a concept, emailing strangers that would buy from you, and pitching them. Here's a cold email we sent in 2015. I like this one because it led to a deal with a nonprofit. But we've done this millions of times now. We've sent over 2 million cold emails and we've generated over $10 million in sales. So this works. And I saw, when I was talking about if you want to watch the Hustlecation video, I saw my brother go from $0 to having his first few clients. He's a full-time entrepreneur now. He quit his job after about 30 days to be an entrepreneur full-time. He just spent the last month on a cruise ship using cold email as his way out. I also saw somebody in our Facebook group for Email 10K. Christina just posted that she made $10,000 using these same exact strategies. So this is stuff that works better than Upwork. It's more scalable, and it works better than Fiverr. It's not full of scams. And that's that. Pick a concept and email strangers. Selling that way allows you to succeed without needing any of these platforms. And this is the old-fashioned way of growing. Find somebody that's going to buy from you, sell to them. That's that. And if you want more detail on how to do that, how to find people, how to get case studies even though you have never worked in an industry before, and how to book meetings with top brands like Global Footprint Network, like this cold email was, or any Fortune 500, or even just larger companies so you're not working with mom and pops that can't afford you, check out email10k.com. It's got everything in there for you. By the way, if you want the system that we're covering in this video as a free checklist, grab the link in the description. You can have a PDF of everything we talked about. If you want to watch more videos like this, check out any of our videos in our back catalog. We do videos 3 times a week. We've been doing it for 4, maybe even 5, 6 years now. All about business, entrepreneurship, how to scale your company, in-depth tutorials on how to live your best life and achieve freedom. If you're making money online with no investment, you can chill as hard as you want. Okay, that's the answer. Subscribe for more content like this. Like this video to encourage this type of content. Comment down below which one of these strategies have you used. Have you made Fiverr work for you? I would love to hear your story. Maybe get you on the channel. We can talk about it. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman.